So we are doing our chapter 3, that is square and the square roots, right? So last time we have discussed 1 to 26 square. Have you learned this all?
Yes, ma'am.
So just one more time revise कर लेते हैं, then we will go ahead with the next sum. Okay, चलो 11 square is
1 to 1.
121. 12 square
144.
144.
18 square.
324.
Okay, 19 square
361.
20 square
400.
हाँ 400.
400.
माइक ऑन रखिए तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. जस्ट कीप योर माइक ऑन ओनली because you have to give the next answers only. Okay, so 13 square.
169.
Okay, 14 square.
196.
Very good. 25 square.
625.
625. I have not asked 15 square. 15 square is 225. 25 square 625, right? 21 square.
441.
Okay, 23rd square.
529.
Good. 24 square.
576.
Okay, 26 square.
676.
Okay, 17 square.
289.
Okay, 18 square.
324.
16 square.
256.
Okay, here I can see that only three only students has given me the answers. Rest of the students are not participating to give me the answers. Why? Why are you not giving me the answers? Try to be present in the online class, otherwise you will get the loss. Okay, so please present till the end of this period, because I am taking attendance in the beginning also and at the end of the class also. So you have to be present in the both the duration, means whole the duration. Okay, now we will continue our exercise 3.4. In that second sum, find the square root of the following using the prime factorization. So in that we have completed 1 to E number, right? Now we will go ahead with the F number. Yesterday I have given 3 sums. Have you done those sums?
Yes.
Okay. So
No,
here
ma'am.
we are. So karo complete. You have to complete on time. Because max, if you will making of any break, then you have to sort out the space that you have to left. Okay. So now today we will go with the F number. Okay. So your F equation is that 5625. Okay, you have to find out the factors of this number. So how would you find it out? Here 5 is there. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. And 13 plus 5, 18 will come in 3 table. Yes, right? So it is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3. 2 is left. 3 6 are 18. 2 is left. 3 8s are 24. Again 2 is left. 2 3 7s are 21. 1 is left and 3 5s are 15. Right? If you are going to divide, we get the same answer. Now next. Again go with the 3 only. 3 5s are 15. 16 is so 1 is left. 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now again check one more time. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 2 30 and 30 plus 5. Again 18. So 18 will come in
18.
3 table. So again it is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3. 2 is left. 3 8s are 24. 2 is left. 2 3 7s are 21. And again 3 5s are 50. 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Right? Now, what will be the next now? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 will not come in a 3 table, right? So, we cannot divisible it by 3. Now, we go with
Yes.
the 5. So, 5 ones are. Then 5 twos are 10 and 5 fives are. So, 125, 5 25s are 125, 5 fives are 25 and ultimately 5 ones are. Then you have to check it is coming into 2 pairs. Yes. So then you can say that your answer is correct. Right? Now, what will you write? Just beside it, you can write that 50 625 is equal to what? 3 square, 3 square, 5 square, and 5 square. You will write 3 square into 3 square into 5 square into 5 square. Clear? Now, we have to find out the square root of 50,625. To become 50,625 is equal to under root of 3 square into 3 square into 5 square into 5 square. Okay. Now here what will become? Square and square will be cancelled out. So you will get as a 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So 3 3s are 9.
9.
9 5s are 45 and 45 5s are 45 5s are
250.
225.
225.
Okay, you will get the 225 under root of 50,625 is equal to 225. That will be your answer. Have you understood this sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So just take G number is given 1,35,424. That is our next question to find out the prime factors. Now it is a even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 40, 2 7s are 14 and 1 and 2. So 2, are you getting this how I am doing this? समझ में आ रहा है ना मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. समझ आ रहा है.
So you can also divide it separately. By 2 you will get it same. 2 3s are 6. Here 7 is left. So 2 3s are 6. 1 is left. 2 8s are 16. 1 is left. 2 5s are 10. And 2 6s are 12. Here 2 1 6. 9s are 2s are and 8s are. Again it is divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are. Again 2, if I am making any mistake you can tell me also. Okay. If your answer is not matching with my answer or my answer is not matching with your answer, you have to tell me. Okay. So now next here again it is divisible by 2. 1 1 and 6. 2 1 0 5 and 8 are. So it is too long sum now. Again 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are. Now you understood that 529 is whose square is 529 now?
23 square.
So this is very helpful. If you know this square, then you easily get the answer. Okay, that's why I'm just telling you. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5. So our answer is this factorization is correct. Okay, now going next. 1,34,424 is equal to what will be right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 23 square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So now we have to find out the square root of 1,34,424 is equal to under root of 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 23 square. So now square and the square root will be cancelled out and remaining will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 23. Now 2 to sorry यहाँ से start करते right from last 23 to the 46.
40,
46 to the
92.
huh? 92. Okay. 92 into 92 into 4. 2 to the 4 here and 92 into 4. Do the multiply.
3.
Is it right? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
368 is coming?
Yes.
Okay. So like this way we have
Yes.
completed this sum also. So if you want, you can take a next is H number that is given 2,02,500, right? It is even number, so it is divisible by 2, right? So 2 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 5 and 0. Again by 2, 2 fives are 10. It's over. 1 will come down. So 1 we have to put 0 and here will become 25. Now 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 6, 13 and 13 plus 5, 18. So it is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So it becomes 20. 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 2 is equal to 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. 16 is there. 3 8s are 24. Again 2, 2 7s are and 3 5s are 15. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Now just checking one time. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 2 13. 13 plus 5 18. So again it will come in a 3 table. So 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. 3 8s are 24. 3 7s are and 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are. Now it is divisible by 5, it is a 25 square. So 5 125s are 5 25s are 125, 5 5s are and 5 1s are. Right? Like this way we have completed the 5 factorization of 2,02,500. Okay? So now we will make a pairs 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pairs are coming. Here everywhere we are getting the 2 pairs, so it is the right answer. 2,02,500 is equal to, we can write 2 square into 3 square into 3 square into 5 square into 5 square. right? Abhishek. Chalo. So we can write, we have to find the square root, so it becomes 2, 0 to 500 is equal to under root of 2 square into 3 square into 3 square into 5 square into 5 square. So here also same thing is that square and square root will be cancelled out and we will get 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay? Now multiply and finally calculate the answer. So you can do like this.
चालू था ये
5
भैया को बोला था मैंने.
What beta?
450, ma'am.
450.
450.
400. Okay. Now next sum is our 1,80,625. 18,625. We have to find out the factor. Here 25 is as it is not a even number, so we have to go with the addition. 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 2 17,
17,
17 plus 5
7,
22.
23, 22.
The 22 will not come in a 3 table, so we are not going to divide it by 3. Now divide it by 5. Then it is 5 because unit place value is 5, so it is divisible by 5. So 5 3s are 50, 3 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. You do division with me only, so if any correction is needed we can do it. Okay, again by 5 5 7s are 35, right? Now 11 become 5 2s are 10, 12 become 5 2s are 10, and 5 5s are 25. Again by 5 5 1s are 5, 2 is left, 5 4s are 20, again 2 is left, 20 and 5 5s are. This much is going correctly or not? This much is going correctly, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 5 2s are 10. 4 have
Yes.
1, 5 8s are 40, and 5 9s are 45. Now you can say that 289 is whose square? Which number square is 289? Which number?
17 square.
Very good. It is a 17 square. So 17 1 sum. Like this way we have completed this sum. Right? So we can write that 1,18,625 is equal to 5 square, 5 square and 17 square. So we can say that under root of 1,18,625 is equal to under root of 5 square into 5 square into 17 square. Okay, now in this case square and this square root out will be cancelled out and remaining is 5 into 5 into 17. Multiply and tell me the answer.
4 to 5.
1 to 5.
425.
420.
725 will be our answer, right?
नहीं 425.
425, ma'am.
Okay, so here we go 425. We have multiplied. Okay. Now next sum, or we can say last sum of this exercise, that is J. We have to find out the fraction of 5,11,225. Okay. Now let's start to find out the factorization. Now it is not a even number, so it is not divisible by 2. So we'll go for the third 3. Okay. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 5
11.
16. And 16 will
16.
not come in a 3 table, so it is not divisible by 3. Now we go ahead with the 5. 5 ones are 5.
5.
2s are 10. Huh? Any doubt?
No.
No, ma'am.
Huh? Okay, chalo. Again, 5 ones are 5. 1, 0. 5 2s are 10. 1. Again, 5 2s are 10. 2. 5 4s are 20. And 5 5s are 25. Again, 5 2s are 10. 0. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. And 5 9s are 20. 45. Now check this one is right or not. Now check by which number we have to
Right.
divide it now. 20449. It is possible by 7. Check it now first. No, by 7 it is not possible. Right? Now by which number we have to divide it? It is divided by 11, right? So divide it by 11 and tell me the answer. क्या हुआ? 20449.
1859 मैम.
Huh? 18. Speak it again.
59.
59.
Okay, 59. Okay. Next 11. 1 by 11. 7. 6 are. And then what will come?
9.
9. Now it is a square of 13, right? Yes. 169 is the square of 13. So ultimately, what we got? 5 square, 11 square and 13 square, right? So we can see that 5,11,225 is equal to 5 square into 11 square into 30 square. So we have to find out the square root. So we can write 5,11,225 is equal to under what beta? So here square and square root will be cancelled it out and we will get as a 5 into 11 into 30. 11 5 is a 55. 55 13 is a. What will we get? 715.
17.
7.
17.
757 you are getting?